In today's video, we're tackling a common hiccup many of you face when working with custom SAML applications, particularly during the process of uploading a public key signature certificate. This is crucial for validating both the SAML sign-in request and the single logout SLO request. First things first, let's start with the certificate itself. Locate the certificate file and open it using any text editor you have. This could be Notepad, TextEdit, or any other editor of your choice. In our case, we can see that the certificate is missing the begin certificate and end certificate. Update it and save it. Once that's done, it's time to head over to the Okta admin dashboard. Navigate to Applications, then Applications again. Find your custom SAML application, click on it, and go to the General tab. Next, find SAML Settings and hit Edit. On the Edit SAML Integration General Setting page, simply click Next until you reach the Configure SAML page. Here, you'll see an option for Advanced Settings. Click on it, and then look for Signature Certificate. Now click on Browse Files. This allows you to choose and upload the certificate right from your local system. Find your updated certificate file, select it, and click Open. And that's it. Your certificate should now upload successfully, solving the error. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to us on YouTube.